advance to Berlin for the chance to battle SKT. Onslaught of Shadow splits everyone from KOO away. Everyone back, 2 for 1. Featherman wants to clean up. It's a trouble for Smith. One step closer to an all-Korean final. Smith flashes away from the third block of the broken wings. Huni will find fails the flash. KOO are looking for a rampage. Gorilla jumps forward. He manages to find another as Smeb's running down Featherman. And KOO Tigers are 2-0 against Fnatic. Gorilla comes forward. The Shockwave finds 4. There's simply not enough ability power. Yellow Star and Rainover like lambs to the slaughter. Hooney's trampled underneath the weight of that power pony. Reckless is in trouble. The Shockwave's already been pulled. KOO will earn themselves a shot at the Summoners Cup in Berlin against SK Telecom.